Hello dear students, I am Samir Velankar. I welcome all of you to this another video on control structures in C. In this video, we will see the function of if-else statement, which is also called as selection statement. Now the grammar of if-else is if is followed by some Boolean condition here, some Boolean expression which always evaluates to true or false, and within the if we write set of statements. Some n statements have been written. Now these statements will run if the condition is true. So the condition written in the if it is true, then these set of statements will run. But the else portion written over here, the set of statements written in the else will run if the condition is false. So the general grammar of if else is if some condition, then set of statements, else some set of statements. Okay, let's see an example here. The example given over here is about finding slope of a line. So the problem says that you have to input x1 y1 coordinates of first point and x2 y2 coordinates of second point, and find out the slope of this line. Now we know that slope m is given as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But there is a problem in this formula. Now what if x2 is equal to x1? Check the denominator here. If x2 and x1 are equal, then the denominator will be 0, and then y2 minus y1 will be divided with 0, and anything divided by 0 is undefined. So slope will not be defined, slope will be infinity. So this condition has to be checked before you calculate the slope. That will be checked by using if. So in the program here, we declare x1, y1, x2, y2, and m all are floats because we are working on Cartesian coordinates. And then we ask the user to enter x1, y1. So the first point is entered in %f format, as you see. Then the second point is entered x2, y2, as you see in %f format. And then we are checking, is x1 equal to x2? So what if user has entered x1 y1 as 3 comma 2 and x2 y2 as 3 comma 4? Now you see x1 and x2 are equal, so slope will not exist, or slope will be infinity. So if x1 is equal to x2, we would like to execute this line printing slope is infinity. But if x1 equal to x2 is false, maybe x1 y1 is 3 2 and x2 y2 is 4 4, then the slope exists. So we will land in else here. This else portion, as I am marking, will run if the if is false, and will calculate the slope and print it. So very simple example of if else was seen here. Now just an announcement. I know that GATE students, surely know the working of if else. It is a very basic statement, and those who are appearing for GATE might have already learned more languages than C. The most common language nowadays is Python. So you have used all this, but still, to keep our discussion continuous, I am telling you all these control structures. You are free, absolutely, you are allowed to skip all these videos on very basic control structures, and these programs will be peanuts for you, I am sure. Okay, thank you very much.